All righty. We're at a supply house today. Gonna pick up some more materials. Ding dong. Honey, we're home. Hello? Michael, what's happening, babe? Hey, how much does that tracker go for? Jacob keeps bugging me about it.
$1,000.
Is it 1,000?
It's close to it.
How about our price?
2,000.
2,000? It's not nice.
Mr. Carr!
What's happening, boss?
How you doing?
Good, man. How you been, Randy? Trying to get a price on that wire tracker.
Am I being videoed?
You're being videoed.
Am I going to become a star?
You're gonna become a superstar.
Where'd you go?
I had to get Randy out. He's eating lunch.
$750 out the door right now.
Done.
Both of them?
One of them. Come on. All right, we got to go. We're headed Edgewater.
Yeah.
Heading to Edgewater. Then Annapolis.
Good seeing you, sir.
Yes, sir.
When it gets on YouTube.
Let us know.
Huh?
Put 10
You'd be a superstar.
Put 10 on YouTube.
Are you putting up with these characters?
Oh yes, of course.
How's it going?
It's good.
Going
I
good?
love it here, yes.
You like it here?
Yeah.
With these characters?
Yeah.
I used to work here when I was
Oh
a
my
baby,
gosh.
and then now they guys ran me off. I turned into a contractor. Now I'm losing money.
Oh.
I used to make money when I worked here.
Oh.
Yeah, I was back in the 70s. That was a long time ago. You're dating yourself now, buddy. You guys have a good weekend. All right, heading to, where are we heading first? South River Colony, headed there now. Felix, how are you?
That's too many hits.
Huh?
That's too many hits.
Your brother's coming.
I don't think so. Finish with this.
Huh?
I don't think so. Finish with he just.
Well, he's coming. He's coming out of Baltimore.
You see all these cuts all over here?
Yep. A lot of sprays.
Over there, I don't need to move all these cuts to the.
Move him out.
Then cut a lot of that.
What time did he say he's gonna be here?
Huh?
What time is he's coming? Your brother.
I don't know. It's not probably yet.
Does he? When he coming here? Pretty sure.
He said he will.
Yeah. He said he was an hour ago, so he'll probably be here any minute.
Only
So you got a lot done.
Yeah, but it's too many hits. You see.
You said this morning was a lot of 1812.
Yeah.
He just brought you another case.
That's 8 son, only the 18, 12. The each son had 10 heads.
Gotcha.
You see.
So how many people you got here?
Only my crew.
Oh, your crew.
Then the how that his son was he left too.
We got to keep on going. We got to go up
Yeah,
to
well,
Edwin.
Yeah, but I have a lot of heads first finish my heads now.
Huh?
I have a lot of heads, the 18, 12 first finish.
Knock that out now.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. He can come out tomorrow and finish.
And
And just tell is the homeowner here?
Yeah, the shoes.
Just tell her we'll be down tomorrow morning.
Okay.
We're going to finish up tomorrow, probably half a day.
Okay.
Just let her know. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll be around on the property. But just take 10 minutes and go over with Nelson everything.
Okay.
That way he understands everything for Saturday.
Okay.
That'll work.
Okay.
Good work. Good work, sir. Good to go. We're heading on to Edwin. Oh, you need some of these? Non-SAMs? Oh, these are SAMs here. PRSs. Yeah, pressure compensating PRSs. They're good. Thanks, Felix. All right. Heading to another job site. What's up, guys? How are you? Didn't get that warm today, did it?
No.
Stayed in the 50s.
Jonathan was actually trying to get warm.
Was he laying out in the street with the sun lamp on him again?
No.
He could get warm if he ever worked. How y'all doing, Edwin? Doing good?
Chen diesel?
5004. Jonathan, they said you were cold. I told him you could get warm if you ever did any work. How you doing, bud?
This hair more before here. Move for now here. Okay, this is a new one.
Didn't get that warm today, did it? Kind of weird. That's a nice backyard.
This water.
Huh?
All three of these look like nice backyards.
Yeah. Look like this is going around and going right out the front. sloped around, look like it's curved. Doesn't it?
I think this is the low spot. I mean, I'm sure these plants suck up some water, but
It's working though.
yeah. There's no holes under the fence where all the water seeps under.
Yeah, I was kind of looking at that myself. But no water laying anywhere.
No.
Unless they got some membrane laying under here. It's going somewhere else.
No, before have 3 heads here together.
3?
Yes.
And
Right
one
now
hole?
only 2 working.
Huh. That's different.
Yeah, the different system.
Not the way we
Maybe
would
for a
do it.
long time.
You doing okay?
Yeah. Everything good.
Got the controller up, rain sensor.
The rain sensor no, but the controller is ready inside in the garage.
Looks good, Edwin. Good work, sir. We're gonna get down and pick up another truck. We'll see you back at the shop. We gotta run down and pick up a truck. We'll see you at the shop.
Okay. Where?
Okay, get down and Bowie. Pick up another
We're
truck.
gonna get it.
Okay.
We're gonna go pick up a truck. Yeah, well, we'll see you back at the shop.
Okay.
Alrighty. Heading out of here, looking at another job. These guys got a VIP, just about complete. Change all the heads, all the nozzles, change out the controller, change out the rain sensor, and they'll have that all completed here in the next hour. Good work.